guys, it's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. Sorry if I'm talking weird. These rhinestones feel so weird on my lips, I can barely move. But hey, if you want to see this cute glam pink skull glitter diamond rhinestone look, stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me, which is a couple shades lighter than I would normally wear my foundation. But hey, this is a Halloween look, so who needs your foundation to actually match? Now I'm going in with this super light concealer. It's out of the Anastasia contour kit. It's so light, guys. Oh my god, it's ridiculous how light this is. But again, it's a Halloween look, so who cares? I don't know why I did my chin. My chin was useless considering I wouldn't cover it up. But whatever, blend it out, y'all. Blend it out. Going in with my airspun powder just because it's white instead of the yellow powder I usually use. I'm gonna set my under eye because I really don't use this Anastasia concealer, so I don't know how it's gonna work for me. Now I'm going in with Love Letter from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette to just trace out my skull mouth and how I wanted. I used a shadow to carve this out because I felt like it would be easier to cover up if I messed up, which down the line in this video you'll see that I did mess up. So this is actually a very smart idea, and I say just take your time with this. It took me a very long time to get it even how I like it and how I wanted it, so just really take your time to carve this out. Don't rush it. This will probably be the longest part of the whole video, just outlining and making sure it's in the shape that you want it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start blending out my edges so that they're not as rough, because we don't want them rough. We want it to like blend down very seamlessly, and we're going to add another pink color later. So just make sure this is blended, and add and build based on how you want yours, but I did it the way I like mine. So we're going to jump from doing the mouth to straight to the eyes. What I did was I took Love Letter out of the Modern Renaissance palette, just put it in my crease and kind of worked from there. We kept the eyes really simple. Because this is a glitter skull look, I decided that I wanted to put glitter on my eyes too. So what you see me doing here is putting glitter glue on my lid. As you can see, I didn't really make that eye clean. It doesn't have to be super neat. So I was just going with the flow at this point. But now I'm putting on the glitter. This glitter is actually loose glitter from Michaels. It's not necessarily an eye glitter, but it's the color I wanted to use today. So if you want to put Michaels glitter on your eye, go put Michaels glitter on your eye. It didn't make my eye fall off, so it works fine for me. Now I'm going under my eye with Bori, I believe, out of the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I believe that's the name of it. And I am just putting it on my bottom eyelash. Now I'm taking that same pink and I'm going back over what I did previously and just making it a little more pink. And I'm going to start really defining these lines and really turning it into what I want them to be. Now I'm going to blend that Love Letter color out with a blending brush. Again, we want to add and build, blend out to have a very smooth look. So here I started drawing my teeth, but I then realized that I didn't cover my mouth with foundation or concealer. So I'm getting ready to go back in and do that before I start my lips. Here I'm just putting foundation on my lips. We're going to blend her out with a beauty blender. And now we're going to add some powder just to set it. So I'm taking my NYX liquid liner on an angled brush, and I am literally just drawing the shape, the lines for the teeth. Because I'm going to put rhinestones, I didn't really go into full detail based on these lines. I didn't feel like they needed to be perfect because they're pretty much going to be covered because of rhinestones. Now I'm going to take some pink shadow to just add a shadow to my lips and to really add some color to make the mouth pop. Now I'm going in to just define the lines just a little bit more than they already are. So now we're at the point where we're really going to start defining the skull. So I'm taking my black NYX liquid eyeliner and I am just really carving out the shape of the skull mouth with it. Here I am adding an extra line. You'll see that I end up messing up, but again, this is trial and error. It's Halloween, so nothing has to be perfect. Here I'm just taking a black eyeshadow to set the eyeliner. I didn't know if it was going to move or not, so I just wanted to set it and add a little shadow to it to be sure. So as you can see, I'm a little uneasy about the mouth. I'm kind of like iffy about it, not really liking the way it looks, so I decided to come up with a solution. I'm going to fix that line that I overdid with some foundation. I'm going to just cover it up and build it. That's the good thing about Halloween. Nothing has to be perfect. This ain't a full glam beat where you need your face to be perfect. So I'm just fixing it here with some foundation and a little powder. Gonna set it so that doesn't move or the other stuff doesn't peek through. Now I'm taking some pink shadow and I'm just covering what I just did with the foundation to make sure the bottom half of my mouth is pink. Now I'm going in with some iridescent rhinestones that I got from Michael's, and I am placing the big ones in the center and then the smaller ones on the outer half of my mouth. And I'm just placing these on with glitter glue, and they actually surprisingly stayed, which is a good thing. I thought they were going to be too heavy, but it works for me, so I hope it works for you too. Now I'm getting ready to draw my nose on. I'm using the NYX liner again on an angled brush, and you pretty much just make an M. That's what I got from it. It doesn't have to be even. Mine's definitely not even. I purposely made one side higher than the other, and yeah, that's how I did mine. I also fill the nose in with this NYX liner, and you just make it all black and very, very pretty. Now I'm going to put glitter on my eyebrows. I already put the glitter glue on, and now we're just going to make our eyebrows very glittery. It's a glitter skull look, right? So being the girly girl that I am, I decided that my nose needed glitter too, that it shouldn't just be all black. So I added glitter through my nose. Now I'm adding rhinestones to the tip of my eyebrows. I have 2 big ones and 2 baby ones. Ooh, I'm feeling it. I'm starting to look a little scary, a little creepy, more than normal. And here I'm just doing my wing liner. You know, a Neyah look is not complete without a wing liner, okay? A wing liner is always a great idea when it comes to Neyah's looks. So if you ever wonder, what would Neyah do if you're trying to decide about wing liner, Neah always is down for a wing liner. Okay, so for final touches, I decided to add glitter all around my mouth, and I decided to add a little squiggly crack lines around my face. Yeah, I hope you guys like this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you recreate, don't hesitate to tag me. I love you guys so much, and thank you for supporting me. Happy Halloween, guys!